Meaning of Harold Robbins.
Harold Robbins.
Harold Robbins.
Harold Robbins.
Harold Robbins. Harold Robbins was an American author best known for his popular novels, which often featured dramatic and scandalous storylines. His works were often criticized for their graphic sexual content and sensationalist themes, but they were also widely read and influential in the mid-20th century. Robbins' most famous books include The Carpetbaggers, A Stone for Danny Fisher, and The Adventurers. While he faced controversy and criticism throughout his career, Robbins remains a significant figure in the history of American literature and popular culture.